Take a vending machine.
It's time to get a vending machine, guys.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Or are you thirsty?
Hungry and thirsty.
Both?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Let's go.
Now let's
One.
Number
one. This one?
Is that a one?
Yeah.
Yep.
in the vending machine. Stella is hungry and thirsty. Her table.
What are you doing, Grace? Why are you just recording?
And guess what? Her has a tablet.
I see that.
How?
Because my eyes can see the tablet in her hand.
And he has glasses.
You guys want a drink to share?
No. Alex might open it.
No. Your mom's getting food.
No, when we're done eating.
Well, when we're done eating, then we can talk about it. You guys don't want anything? A drink?
I want some.
Yes, I want it.
Hey, can I have that?
No. Agree on something. You guys are gonna share it.
What's right?
Okay. Look out.
But we're not taking the Skittles.
No,
over.
not the Skittles. Put the Skittles back. I gotta pay for this. Give it to me. Put those back. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
You guys want a cookie?
Yes, please.
Okay. Look out.
Do we have to pay for them? Can I have that?
No, don't touch them. There, that one's yours now. Here.
Now which one do you have?
Okay, now four. Four. No. Yep. It was just gonna take off without us anyway.
What?
The elevator. It was just gonna take us wherever it wanted us to go.
Where's Mama?
She's getting food.
Well, how's it going? Number 3. Can we take our shoes off?
Yeah. Hello. Hey. I'm already out of the shower.
Where's the dog go cookie?
Well, there was one shopping area that had them both in the same little strip mall area.
Lots of doors here.
Okay.
Hey, let me in too.
We were just downstairs.
You wanna look at the beautiful view?
meet ya.
Where's her? Where's her? Where's her, Travis?
What?
We were talking about her.
Come in.
Please continue here.
She's coming.
my mom. She said she's coming soon. Oh, look at the beautiful view. That's the roof down below.
Come on, guys, we gotta go eat the thing downstairs. You guys gonna stay up here?
You stay up here.
You guys can stay up.
I want to meet her.
Do you want to stay up here then, Grace?
Oh, I'm gonna stay with me.
What?
I'm gonna stay with you.
Guys.
I'll stay up here.
Okay. Put your shoes on.
I wanna quirk this Elmo. She's so cute.
All right, we'll be back, Grace B. Love you. Back downstairs. This way.
Look at some Sprite. Look at it. Well, that's the end of our video. Well, hope you know, this is not my channel, it's Emma's. She just doesn't film much, but yeah, this is her channel, not mine. But my channel is Travis Summers. If you go to down below. Bye.